Hi everyone, it's Cathy. Welcome to Cathy Over 50. In today's video, I'm sharing my picks for the best makeup brushes for mature skin. These are the brushes that I reach for daily and use the most often. I have two for foundation and no surprise, they're both from IT Cosmetics. I just happen to be a real fan of IT Cosmetics and their brushes are some of the nicest ones that I have tried. So my two favorites, the first one is the number 6 Heavenly Luxe Flat Top Buffing Brush. And I actually used this brush today with their Powder Compact to create this look. So this is a great one, but I think currently my favorite foundation brush is the dual-ended brush from IT Cosmetics. And the reason why, this head is a little bit smaller compared to the flat one. I also like it because it's dual-ended, and this end is perfect for when I want to apply concealer, say underneath my eyes, or say I want to like put foundation in around the nose. It's not as big as this one. So I've been reaching for this one quite a lot, and it is the Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection number 7 brush. All the brushes will be listed below in the description box in the order that I speak about them. So next I'm going to show you my favorite brushes for powder and bronzer. I kind of use the same brush sometimes for both. This isn't a brush, it's a new gadget that I bought and I cannot stop using it. I love it. Excuse the dirt on it because I used it this morning. But it is the Beautyblender Powder Pocket Puff. And it's a Beautyblender fuzzy sponge, I guess we'll call it. You use it dry, and I use it to apply setting powder today. And it's great because I have been using it nonstop to apply setting powder onto my face. And it really does a nice job. And I reach for it now rather than a brush because I just find it does an even better job of blurring pores and just making my makeup look really nice and smooth. It gives it a great finish. It's very easy to wash. I've washed it a few times. It has this handy little thing in here. You can put your fingers in there, or you can put them behind here in that little strap thing. Absolutely love it. And you can use both sides. I have only stuck to this side, but I really like it, and I think it's under $20. I think it's a steal, and it's something I reach for every day. I also like this powder brush by IT Cosmetics. It's their number 8 wand ball brush. I use this brush for so many different things. It's great for putting on loose powder, pressed powder, and I often use it for my bronzer. Whenever I'm not like contouring, I just want to like give myself a sun-kissed look. It is so nice, and it's densely packed, and the bristles, they're just so soft. And all the IT brushes are cruelty-free. Washes great. I've had this for a couple of years, and it's like new. And it has a nice little tapered globe shape, I guess you would call it. Now, if you want something a little more budget friendly, I also use this brush by Real Techniques, and it is their powder brush. I don't reach for it as often as this one, simply because you can see it's so much bigger, and it pretty much takes up my whole cheek. So I find that this one, I just reach for more often. I'm more comfortable with it. But this is a nice alternative. And I do have some Real Techniques brushes that I do really enjoy and reach for often. So we got our powder and our bronzer figured out. So now I have 3 suggestions for my favorite blush brushes. And actually, the one that I reach for mostly is by Real Techniques, and I think this was under $10. It is their blush brush. It's this nice hot pink brush. I actually used it today to put my makeup on. It's really nice brush. The bristles are soft. I've had this for probably 4 years, and again, looks like new. I really try and take good care of my brushes. And another brush that I love for my blush is the IT Cosmetics angled blush brush. It has a unique angled head, so it makes it great for putting my blush on. It's the perfect size for my cheek. It really does a great job of picking up product and applying it evenly onto my face. I also like this brush by Hourglass. It's a little more expensive, but I got it during one of the Sephora sales. It's a dual-ended brush. I'm realizing I really like dual-ended brushes because they're so handy and can be used for so many different things. Now this one was meant specifically for the Hourglass, you know, their ambient lighting quad, but I use this in any product that I have. So I will use the smaller end for highlighting underneath my eyes, and I'll use this end for precise application of my blush. And it's really, really a nice brush, and it's so, so soft. I have two highlighting brushes that I like. The first one is by Sigma. It is their tapered highlighter brush, the F35. I really like it because, well, it's tapered and it's great for, say, putting on highlighter. It's perfect, like, just to go around the nose. The bristles are nice and soft, and it does a great job at applying highlighter. And this one, I haven't had for that long. I've tried it a few times. I like it. It's kind of a fan brush. It's by Sephora, and I use it for highlighting as well because it would be great, you know, to go underneath the eye or down the nose. I use this one. I'll just wipe it off. Like if I've used it for blush, I'll wipe it off on a microfiber cloth, and I'll just use this to reapply my highlighter. I really like to multitask with my brushes. So now we're getting into my eye brushes, and these are some of my favorite brushes. I'm just gonna start off with my all-time favorite brush. It's a Charlotte Tilbury Eye Smudger brush. You see me use this all the time. It is perfect for the size of my eye. I use it to go underneath my lower lash line to create a smoky look, but it's also perfect for me just to do my V, the outer corner V, to apply the color. I will just deposit the eyeshadow on the outer V, and then I'll take a fluffy brush and just blend everything in. But I love this brush. I use it all the time. I've washed it so many times and it's just like new. And a lot of you have also purchased it and you say that you love it as well. I also love this Bobbi brown Eyesweep brush. I use this a lot when I'm just putting on one color of a powder eyeshadow, because I can pretty much do my whole eye in just like one sweep. It is quite a big brush, so I don't use it every day, but I do like it for that purpose. I also like my MAC 235 brush. It's more of a flathead brush, and I like that for whenever I want to apply eyeshadow in a precise area on my lid, and I will just use it like to pack my powder eyeshadow. So it's great for that, and I've had this for quite a while, and it washes and wears well also. And this one is by Bobbi Brown, and it's the angle eyeshadow brush. You can see that it's really tapered, and it's good as well for the outer V to deposit the color and then blend it in. So that's another favorite. And then because I do have what I consider to be small eyes, blending brushes and crease brushes tend to be a little big, but I found this one. It's by Sephora, and it's their number 19 Pro Tapered Crease Brush. And it's perfect for my eyes to, you know, apply that crease color or just to blend everything in. So really like that one as well. I hope that you found today's video helpful, and if you did, please be sure to give this video a like. That just helps my channel to get noticed by the YouTube algorithm and helps me to grow. Also subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. And thanks for spending time with me today. I always appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye.